How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Patriot DIY channel. In this video, we're going to be adding lights to the batting cage. Whoa! All right, guys, now it's been about 9 months since we put this batting cage up and we have loved it. My son gets a ton of use out here. But with the time changing soon and it's starting to get dark earlier, we decided it's about time we added some lights to the batting cage. Now I wanted to do something that was both affordable and easy to install so that any of you guys out there could do it. And short of running power out here, putting up a pole and installing stadium or floodlights, I think this is going to be a really good option for most people. And ultimately what I came up with is these heavy duty string lights. They come in strands of 50 or 100 feet. Now for my project, what I'm going to be using is 100-foot strand and one 50-foot strand for a total of 15 lights at 39,000 lumens. Now that should light this thing up really nicely for some nighttime hitting, and I can't wait to see what this is going to look like once we finish. These do just have a standard outdoor plug, and they're designed so that you can link multiple strands together to get the total length that you need. These are meant for outdoor use with good heavy-duty metal housings and an IP65 weather rating, so they should hold up nicely to the outdoor conditions. Now I'm going to get in here and show you exactly how I installed these and then show you what it looks like when we're done. But first, guys, if you haven't done it yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. Let me give you guys a closer look at the light here. So you can see we have a loop here at the top, and it does come with a carabiner, so you can just hook it on to your cable or whatever you have holding up your batting cage. But I really want these lights to be as close to that cable as possible, so I think I'm going to take these carabiners off and just use a zip tie here to zip tie it to the cable. It has a nice heavy duty metal housing here. The cover here on the bulb is actually plastic. Now the way I'm going to install these, they should be enough above the net that I don't have to worry about balls hitting them, but it is nice to see that they have this metal cage going around the cover itself. That's going to just help protect it a little more. The color temperature of these is 5000 K, so this should give us a nice bright white light to it, which I think is going to be perfect for this application. Now let's go light up this batting cage. I already have cables here that hold the net up, so all I really have to do here is climb up and zip tie the light to the cable. I'm also going to zip tie the wire to the cable every couple feet to take out any slack and for a nice clean look. The other thing I did here was to make sure that I positioned the lights where the net sags down between the carabiners. That way there's enough clearance to make sure they don't get hit by baseballs. And I just continue that process all the way around. And whenever I finish that first strand, I just plug in the next and keep on going. All right, guys, now I'm doing all this for my son, so I just want to take a second to plug his YouTube channel. His channel is called Johnny Outlaw. He does a lot of baseball and sports stuff, really cool videos. So if you and your kids are interested in that kind of stuff, make sure you go check out the Johnny Outlaw YouTube channel. I will have a link to that in the description below. Now let's get back to the build. Now all I have to do is run an extension cord and plug it in. Now I may eventually run power out here and do something different, but for now this works great. All right, let's give them a test, see if they come on. All right, we have light. Obviously not super bright right now, but we'll see what it looks like at night. All right, are y'all ready?
Yeah!
Let's do it. Whoa! Nice. Can you see good? You see good enough? You see the ball good and everything? Good hit. Hey, there's a good hit. Good job. All right, guys, as you can see, the lights worked out great. Don't forget, I will have links to these lights in the description below if you want to get them for yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.